Hi, this is Brian Schiff with Functionally Fit. In this column, I'm going to demonstrate a lateral stepping exercise using resistance band. And this is a very simple exercise. I've covered it in the past, but not in a video format, and I wanted to review it today because so many times we have clients who have gluteus medius dysfunction. They're unable to stabilize proximally at their hip. They're not using the proper muscles. The tensor fascia lata typically dominates the glute med, and we know from some research we can more selectively recruit the gluteus medius over the TFL, and one of the better exercises to do it is really lateral stepping with the band. So we will utilize these nice elastic bands as part of our movement prep or our dynamic warm-up, if you will, trying to improve glute activation. And so instruct the clients to put it on. And normally we'll start approximately above the knee, and this makes it a little bit easier. You can obviously adjust the resistance based on the strength and capacity of the client that you're training. And I like to have them in a nice athletic position where we have soft knees, we can work on a good trunk position, nice neutral spine. And then if they want to put the hands on the hips, I'm good with that. Some people prefer to have them out front. Really, I think whatever's comfortable. And then we'll side step and then replace about 50% of that step. So we're maintaining consistent tension on the band as we move. We're not letting them come all the way together. A lot of times you'll see clients want to drag, or they'll just come in real quick with the band. And so I'm going to coach them, keep the toes forward, we're in that good alignment. We step, and then controlled step. Step, controlled step. And we're really maintaining good tension and resistance in the band, so we're activating the hips. I want to avoid a big turnout if I can. I really want to keep those toes straight forward. If the squatting position becomes too challenging or difficult, I'm okay letting them regress up into less of a knee flexion angle. Sometimes I've had people with patellofemoral pain or just discomfort. I'll even let them side step pretty straight, and so that they don't have any pressure kind of on the knee itself. So in terms of distance or duration, usually I'll have them go about 10 yards down and back for 2 or 3 repetitions. The key thing is keeping constant tension on the band and really having them work that way. If you want to progress it, simply slide the band down here, and at the ankles, now we've got a lot more work happening based on just lever arm itself. So anyway, great exercise that you can use for corrective strengthening. You can use it as part of your dynamic warm-up or hip activation series, and I would encourage it for all of your athletes, and it will help improve glute med activation and help turn off the tensor fascia lata.